In this video, I'll show you how to request changes on a pull request on GitHub. First, open your web browser, go to GitHub, and sign into your account. Then open the repository that contains the pull request you want to review. Next, click the Pull Requests tab and open the pull request you want to review. Take a few moments to read the description and understand the proposed changes before continuing. Now, click the Files Changed tab to review the code. As you go through the changes, you can leave comments by hovering over a line of code and clicking the plus icon. Enter your feedback and choose whether to add it as a single comment or start a review. After that, once you've finished reviewing the changes, click the Review Changes button in the top right corner. Select Request Changes, add an overall summary explaining what needs to be updated, and then click Submit Review. Finally, the pull request author will be notified of your review and the requested changes. After they make the requested updates and push new commits, you can review the pull request again and approve it when you're satisfied with the changes. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to request changes on a pull request on GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.